In this video I will work on replacing the spark plug on the lawnmower Craftsman Gold 6.75. Location of the spark plug is in the front of lawnmower. The tool that we will need is only adjustable wrench and a new spark plug. First thing to do is the ignition coil. Take it off and use the adjustable wrench to take the spark plug out and check it out. It doesn't look bad, but I have it for some time and I cleaned it a few times, so this year I'm just gonna replace it with the new. Spark plug is Champion RJ19LM, and I have it here, RJ19LM or 8680-1. I purchased this at O'Reilly because of price. It was cheaper than Home Depot. I went online and checked the prices first and then stopped by O'Reilly and purchased, which on my surprise was better price. So I recommend O'Reilly. Installation is easy. Just put it back in carefully, not to misthread it, and hand tight by to the point that gets contact with, and then just snag it with adjustable wrench and put back ignition coil. And that is all what it takes to replace the spark plug. Easy but important. We'll do a quick test. And it works. Like I said earlier, easy, simple, but important. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching.